Hello friends, Tony here. Welcome. In today's video I'm going to test this OWL alpha, and if you see here I'm using the OpenRouter. This has 1 million context and is very good, so with strong performance in code generation. And let's see, I have prepared a project which is a Laravel with Livewire is empty one. I'm going to create a Livewire component to generate passwords. As you can see, we have an example here to use strong password, which is going to generate a strong password. This is from Chrome, but let's create one with Livewire. So here I have opened the Pi agent and I'm using this OpenRouter OWL alpha, and yeah, has 1 million context. Very good. I'm going to paste the prompt here. So let's paste it, the prompt, and I'm going to hit enter. The prompt is this one. So create a Livewire password generator component that lets users generate secure passwords based on selected characteristics. Requirements: use Livewire with reactive state, include controls for password length, minimum 8 and maximum 64, include lowercase letters, uppercase, numbers, symbols, exclude ambiguous characters such as I, L, and so on. And let's see, first we have the error because it's temporarily rate limited upstream. Please retry shortly. So this is when we work with the OpenRouter, but anyway, let's leave it for now because it's going to work. When this is going to finish, I'm going to come back. Okay, so it's failing, but right now result is passed, as you can see. So let's see, let's open the VS Code resources views. We have components, so we have this password generator. Okay, is a big component. Let's see, let's use this one inside pages auth register. So here when we have a create account after the form, I'm going to add another div. Okay, and inside here let's add the Livewire colon password generator. I'm going to save. Also I have run here the composer and dev, and now let's see, let's go to register, refresh. Here is the component, the password is here, the strength is saying is good. So if I change the length to be less 11, yeah, I think it's a good job. Okay, if I strong green. Anyway, I'm going to leave it with 12 characters and choose lowercase, uppercase, and numbers. Yes, you can see it's staying fair. Anyway, we can regenerate. Okay, if I add also this one, is good. Exclude this, regenerate. Okay. What if I click copy here? I think the copy is not working. Copy the clipboard, and let's see where is the, if we scroll down, we have this copy the false and async copy, try, await, navigator, clipboard, write text, JS this password, and then on click is going to call this copy. Now instead of using this here, let's change this. Let's say just password, and we're to receive the password on this copy. And here we're not going to say this password, but $wire password, like this, and not click but X and click like this. And now let's see, let's come here, refresh, copy it, paste it here, and yeah, now it's working. So let's exclude this one, If I say copy, paste it here, yeah, it's working. And that's it what I wanted to show you in this video. Now here, the copy, yeah, we could ask the AI to fix that, but also we can fix by ourselves. And yeah, now as you can see, everything is finished. A Livewire 4 single file component SFC with also tests here. Everything works. This is OWL Alpha, which in my case has done a very good job. Okay, now if you like such a videos, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share with your friends. And I will see you in another one. All the best.